exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team.
For sure, the 450 is the main goal. As every racer, they want to ride in this 450 class. That's the best class in the world, and we all want to perform in that class. But yeah, I had to first. For me, the goal was really to perform in 250, and yeah, I won championships, so that was really awesome. But yeah, my inside goal was always to ride 450, always to be in that crazy class 450 in the main event with just the top 22 best rider in the world, and now I am. As a racer, per se, I think when the helmet goes on, yeah, I definitely do change and I get a lot more serious. But as a rider, say like the practice track, I don't think, unless I'm doing like a gnarly moto or something, I don't think anything really changes. I'm always having a good time, always throwing whips, always doing tricks, whatever it is. I'll yell at people. You know, I'm always having a good time.
You know, it was, you know, almost 11:30 at night on the East Coast time. I'm just sitting in my bed. I get a phone call from Bobby Reagan. He goes, "You ready to ride a blue bike?" And I said, "Yes, sir." I mean, he woke me up out of my sleep. You know, I had to. It was almost like one of those ones where you have to look twice. Like, is this right? Is this right? So it was a cool feeling, and just to, you know, just get those nerves rushing. If any time, you know, you finally get your chance of, you know, signing with a new year, you get this. It's like this weird like rush, you know, like as you're signing the paper, you know, it's just like, man, like this is happening again. And you know, you get to experience both sides of the field, and it makes you humbles you up, because, you know, any day, you know, that you can be up here and you can be back down and, you know, knocked down. And I guess I always say there's always somebody trying to take your position, so that's what makes us, you know, who we are.